Hello everyone, and welcome to our Lean channel. In today's video, we will talk about ISO 9001-2015 Element 4.2, understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties. By the end of the video, you will see how we can provide a lean response to this requirement. Before we start, click the subscribe button to keep you posted on our new videos. For understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties, the standard requires a business to determine interested parties. So who are those interested parties? The answer is simple. ISO 9000-2015 Quality Management Systems Fundamentals and Vocabulary has Section 3, Terms and Definitions. Here, in Element 323, we will find the definition and elaboration on the terms interested party or stakeholder. The standard defines interested parties as a person or organization that can affect, be affected by, or perceived itself to be affected by a decision or activity. The standard also offers examples of interested parties that include customers, owners, employees, suppliers, and others. In line with this definition, ISO 9001 Element 4.2 refers to the interested parties as those that affect or potentially may affect the organization's ability to consistently provide products and services that meet customer and applicable statutory and regulatory requirements. Based on these two definitions, we can conclude that interested parties are anybody or any organization that a business depends on or affects. Using ISO 9000 suggestions, let's summarize our initial list of interested parties. They are customers, owners, employees, and others. Further, ISO 9000 standards requires us to determine the needs, expectations, and the requirements of these interested parties. Let's take a look at our interested parties and see what their needs and expectations may be. Customers need on-time delivery, reliable product, fair pricing, etc. Owners expect return on investment, assurance of continual operation, expansion of markets, and others. Employees need recognition, fair pay, suitable working conditions, and others. By now we addressed two requirements of the standard. We addressed our interested parties and determined their needs, expectations, and requirements. The standard, surprisingly, does not require documentation of this key element. Despite this, most businesses do document their interested parties, their needs, expectations, and requirements. If you too need to start or revise your interested parties list, consider saving time and money by using our context metrics. The link to the free download is below. In addition to the interested parties, Clause 4.2 also requires monitoring and reviewing information about these interested parties and their requirements. In the following videos, we will explore how our context metrics may help us to do precisely that, monitor and review this information. Thanks for watching. I am Mark Kaganov. To learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. If you have any questions, post them below in the comments. I hope to see you next time.